Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we should go to the system. We should go to the accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. So if you have the problem with the right headphone, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to test it and move it and find what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the right headphone but lower it for the left headphone. If you use 100% on your right headphone, you will totally mute sound on your left headphone. If you have the problem with the left headphone, the same process, just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it, and again we increase the volume for the left headphone but lower it for the right headphone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. What located under the general settings, so you need to maybe scroll down. Here's accessibility, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left headphone, you just move the slider to the left, but you need to move it and test it, what will be the best one for you. We just increase the volume for the left headphone but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left headphone, you will totally mute sound on your right headphone. If you have the problem with the right headphone, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again we increase the volume for the right headphone but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.